I'm not sure why my camera's not working, but it doesn't really matter. So I've been playing around with Zoom. Like recently I've been wanting to do more like visual things to help people understand. And there's a cool feature, I don't know if you guys know about it, but when you're a host you can do whiteboards. And there's so much you can do with it, it's really cool. So for anyone that doesn't know about it, I'll just show you this stuff. And sorry for the noise. So you can draw whatever you want. You can go back or delete. Do shapes, arrows. Oh yeah, this stuff's really cool. So you can even do, where is it? Oh, I lost it. Oh yeah, you can do all these different things. You can do a chart, you can do a table, you can do a mind map, all different kinds. So you just click and you can edit it however you want. If you press this little hand, you can grab the screen, the canvas or whatever. Otherwise you have to like drag this thing and like middle mouse to go in and out. But you could do like whatever, like fruits of the spirit, and then you can have like, you know, its usefulness, etc. And then you could even like, I don't know how, there's so many things you could do. But let's say you want to put like your verses here. Or not. I don't know what it's doing. Okay. Why can't I? Okay. Oops. Psalm 51. You know, like, whatever. And, oh sorry. Wrong thing. Okay. So you've only got 4. So what are we going to do? We can add more. And we can add more over here. And you can do whatever you want. You can even, I think, or maybe you can't move those, but you could, what was the other thing? Alright, so we've got this for your teaching. You want to add some videos or some links. So you could do like a YouTube link. Let's do that. So we're gonna, oh wait, I think that was for a website. I'll show you the difference in a second. So I'll cancel that. So this is for a video. Oh yeah, no, that's fine. I don't know what I was thinking. You have to use the hotkeys. Like, I don't think you can do mouse paste for my computer anyway. So I don't know if you guys, for anyone that doesn't know, you've got Control C for copy, Control V for paste, Control X for cut. So I'm going to Control V that. And then we've got a little video link. And then you could add like, I don't know, straight as a gate, something like that. You can add a website link. Actually, I'll show you this. So Control A to highlight, Control C, Control V, and then we've got a little website one as well. Oh nice, it even does it like that. So yeah, you can add all this stuff to your, if you want to like set up a lesson, have it all ready to go. I don't know, there's just so much you can do, it's really cool. I don't know what else. Want to get rid of it? Just delete it. Well, that deleted everything, but anyway. I don't know, I'm just learning it myself, but I just wanted to share. I don't even know what that is. Oh, okay. Yeah, there's all these different features, so you can do like a table. You could obviously like edit how many, probably. I don't know how. Oh yeah, here you go. Add rows, add columns. I wonder if you can draw inside. Oh yeah, cool, you can draw on everything. It's like, there's so much you can do. Oh look. Very useful. I don't even know all this stuff, but you could play around with these things. I don't know what that is. Anyway. So I don't know all the features, but very handy. It's a little awkward with the mouth, but yeah, I just wanted to share that. If you guys want to use this, it's really cool and handy. I know it sounds like a little kid talking about it being so cool, but I just get excited about things like this. Anyway, hope that's helpful.